President Tinubu don send strong salah message give all Muslims as they celebrate Eid al-Kabir.
My correct people, we greet una. Welcome now to this our channel. If na the first time wey I dey waka jam this our channel, make una follow us, make una like our page, and make una help us dey share our videos. Una know say na ogbonge updated news, breaking news, correct tori na we dey carry come for una for here o. So if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush go subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime we be like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Anyway, my people, make we enter the updates and the tori wey we carry come for una like this. Make una watch.
President Tinubu don send strong message give Muslim pipo dem for inside Naija unto the Salah celebration wey dem dey celebrate today 28th of June. My pipo, make I leave una now, make una watch the video and see all wetin e talk for this message wey e send give Muslim pipo like this. Make una watch.
See guys, don't put us. Excellency,
Baraka.
greeted Nigerians in your statement, but Nigerians would like to know what would be your message to this Salah.
I thank Almighty Allah for sparing our life and keep us in good health till today. And I pray to Him to grant us more good health and prosperity. May our sacrifices turn to prosperity. We have to make the sacrifices, and that is clear if we have to. But Allah will not give you a burden that you cannot carry. Will not. It's there for you. Have faith in the country. Have faith in yourself. Believing that you as a citizen of this country, you must join hands. No religious identity, no tribal identity. Live with one another in joy and prosperity. It will come. Nigeria will see peace, stability, and God will grant peace to those of us who are in the war front. We spare their life, we give them victory. Those in the hospitals, we give them succor and peace, and keep them in good health, path to recovery. So you will just be spiritually uplifting. Have faith. Allah is there.
Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you. Okay.
Hey my people, now here wetin the prayers and the message when President Tinubu don like this send to Muslim brothers and sisters, say make they have faith to Nigeria go better. Anyway, my people, the updates will carry come for like this be this. Make una drop una comment and I'll say and reason and make una no forget to like and share. Now do well. See you all in our next video.